This simple storybook for kids has made over $16,000 in passive income. Yes, you are right, $16,000 in today's video. I'll show you how to launch a similar business, starting from generating the book idea, the main content to high-quality illustrations and all of that, by using the power of AI technology. So, if you're interested in making passive income, keep watching until the end, because I promise this video will contain valuable information you'll not find anywhere. I came across this idea while scrolling on Amazon, looking for potential passive income ideas for my business. Then I found this product, which is a storybook for kids. You might say, okay, what's interesting about it? After doing my research, I was shocked by the numbers these sellers make by selling simple storybooks like this. As you can see, this book got 1833 ratings, and if we multiply that by $10.29, which is the product price, you'll find out that the seller has made over $20,145 from this book alone. Let's see another one. This book got 7866 ratings multiplied by 7.99. That'll be over $62,928. And this one has made over $35,739. The crazy part is, you can publish these books 100% free using Amazon KDP. I said, okay, why not create a similar book using ChatGPT, publish it on Amazon, and generate a passive income that makes money while sleeping? So I decided to make this video to help as many people as possible. To create a good storybook, you first need to come up with a good story idea. So I asked the chatbot to generate a title for a storybook related to kids, and the answer was The Enchanted Forest Adventures. A magical journey. Okay, that sounds like a very exciting story. We can start with. Then I asked the chatbot to give me more details about the story, and it came out that the book is for kids between 5 to 8 years old and is about two curious siblings who embark on a thrilling adventure to find a lost treasure hidden in the jungle. I really liked the idea, so I decided to move on with this one. The next step was to create the story outline. As you can see, the chatbot has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes the scenes in detail. Chapter 1, The Discovery. 2, Into the Woods. 3, The Helpful Fairy. 4, The Wizard's Challenge. 5, The Sorcerer's Threat. 6, Race Against Time. 7, The Final Confrontation. 8, Homecoming. Welcome. Now that we've generated the story outline, we can start creating the actual story content based on the chapters. All you need to do is copy the first chapter, in my case the lost treasure, paste it into the chat, and set the prompt to write a rhythm story. Once it's done, read it, and if you don't like the results, you can always regenerate the answer until you're happy. Then I did the same to all chapters, and it only took a few minutes to realize that I now had a complete story, ready to be converted into a book that could generate passive income without needing to write anything myself. If you think about it, it's actually crazy how fast we came up with the story idea and all the chapters along with the story content. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button. We all know that, even if you have the best story idea, it won't be good enough without illustrations, and here you could easily pay thousands of dollars for artists to finish the illustrations. But what if I told you that you can generate original images by typing some words? And this is what I did to finish my first chapter of the story. Let me show you how, when it comes to AI art generators, there are many options available. I've tried a lot of them, and I found that Midjourney provides the best experience. In my opinion, you can try it for free. Once you've joined their Discord server, you can see all recently generated images. There are millions of users. To generate your image, you need to start a prompt. First type /, and then imagine once you do that, you can start explaining the image you want to generate. Go back to the story chapters you've generated before and copy the first one. So now we know the image we want to create. So again, we type /, then imagine. And then your chapter topic. After the image has finished, generating 2 rows of buttons will appear, as you can see in the top row, U1, U2, U3, and U4. These buttons are for upscaling your chosen image, which means generating a larger version of it in the bottom row, V1, V2, V3, and V4. These buttons create 4 new variations, similar in overall style and composition to your selected image. So to recap, if you click on U1, it will upscale the first image. In my case, I like the first image, so I clicked on U1 to make it bigger to save the image. Right-click, and then open link after that right-click again, and save it to your device. Let's create the second image of the chapter. They decide to go on an adventure to find the lost treasure. But I want to keep the same style as my first image. First, copy the image link, start the prompt, and paste the link before explaining the new image. That way, you can maintain the same style. I like the second version, so I clicked on U2 to upscale. Then, I did the same to all images, and in about 30 minutes, I had the illustrations ready to use. I won't repeat the process for all the chapters, because the video will be too long, but you get the idea. Start section by section, and generate the images based on your story topic. Still need more help using Midjourney? I'll leave a detailed guide below this video. Now that we've generated the images, let me show you how to combine the text generated using ChatGPT with the images generated using Midjourney to create a professional-looking storybook. First, head to canva.com and search for storybook. Then click on Create a Blank Storybook after that. Start by uploading the AI-generated images to Canva, then you can simply drag and drop your first image into the template. Now